mentioned about some warning signs which revolved around, making payments to the vendors or salaries to the employees. But we've seen businesses with steady revenue still struggle with this. Why, according to you, does that happen?
Okay, now with the steady revenue and with also having a very good collection team, there could be two reasons. One is that the money which is coming into the business is being siphoned away for some personal use. If that is one of the reasons, because many a times business owners don't realize that they are taking away their business money into doing some personal things. Like, for example, one of my clients, he had a very good rolling of money, but unfortunately was very, what you call, a fan of buying cars. So, so he obviously used to take it on loan, but the down payment used to go from my cash flows. So the one payment doesn't mean that कि वो entirely मेरा cash flow को standstill पे लेके आएगा. Not like that. It's not that a singular transaction is going to impact, but regularly doing that kind of transaction will impact my cash flows. So that is where we have to be mindful that whether I am using my business money for my personal purposes. I am not supposed to do that. And especially if I have to buy something, I might have to take complete loan, and maybe a down payment can be from my salary, which I am taking to home. So it cannot be that I'm using a lot of my personal expenditure through the business. If the business is going to have that car, then it is fine. It's for the business, so it will probably generate revenue by you being able to travel to various places so that you can generate a lot of revenue. So you need to always see the return on investment for what money you're investing and what is the result it is going to bring for the business. That is very important, and most of the times business owners are unable to differentiate their personal and their professional expenses. And this happens in case you are going to have a proprietary concern, because bank account bhi same hai. So they don't have a different current account, banate nahi hai. They don't have differentiation between personal and the professional expenditure, and that's where the problem starts. Now, the second very important thing is that once I am having a good amount of profit in my profit and loss account, assuming, I am very complacent. I just get laid back and saying that, oh, I have earned so much. But unfortunately, the earnings are lying in my debtors' books. It is just a book entry which is showing my profitability. So I should have a robust team to collect money. I know I am doing a good business, but collection should be also that robust that I don't have any outstandings more than 30 days with me. The moment I have these kind of collection mechanism which goes for a toss, then I have more than 180 days people have not paid. I've got more than 1 year I have not paid. And many a times what happens is that there might be a lot of disputes with my customers. I don't know what happens, that most of the business owners don't want conflicts to be addressed. They want the conflicts to be laid down. Okay, let me do it later on. But later on, what will happen is that the money lying in his hands, if not resolved, will become a huge liability. And that will actually bring to my entire vehicle to a grinding halt. Now, this has happened with me as well. Like when I am having a lot of businesses done with various customers. Now they say, oh no, I don't like your services. I will not pay you so much. Now, as a team, I don't resolve it. Okay, fine. You felt that I have only performed to the 50% of my abilities. Pay me 50%, resolve it. No, I don't. I want the 100. He's not ready to pay the 100. But he's ready to pay. He's not even ready to pay 50. He's ready from 100 to 0. He has come. So I have not negotiated and got at least that 50 out. So I am keeping that in slumber. And what happens is that one day that fellow goes away. Any which ways, he doesn't pay me that 100. No doubt. He's no more my customer. And I have lost my money there entirely. And the effort which goes to collect that money is also lost. So I am not addressing the elephant inside the room. I am not trying to address the right issue inside the room, and I am unfortunately burning my fingers there. So this is also one of the reasons where business owners do not know where their cash flow is sitting and how to resolve it. We don't want to address conflicts. That is the unfortunate problem with us. As a human being, we feel, oh, let's not fight. Let's not give a peace of mind to somebody or get that peace of mind from somebody. Want to avoid it. And that's where I'm criminally doing a wrong thing. I need to address the issue then and there and resolve it and have a situation where whether he accepts or I accept and we close it. We don't do that. So I mean, according to me, at least, I think these are the two major reasons where the company is doing really great, but unfortunately does not have a cash flow.